Okay, we're here with Edward. Edward's working on the EV3 robots. We have 3 or 4 that we're working with here at the shop, but in total we're going to plan to have 20 or 30. And they're doing something quite special. He and his partner Jamie, who's not here today. But we're not actually running the Lego Mindstorm code. We've actually booted these up with EV3 Dev, a great project that's setting up bootable Linux on these. We do a micro SD card, a little Wi-Fi chip, and this guy is up on our network. We've set it up so he's up 192.168.168.204. We'll just set it up so each of the robots has, based on their MAC address, a unique IP address. And so Edwards and Jamie have been developing code running down on the EV3s, which hook in directly through the /sys interface on Linux and drive the motors and the tacks. And they started doing it first with Node.js, but that was pretty heavyweight since there's only 64 megabytes on board. So they switched over. They're actually doing this all using Linux Netcat and Bash shell scripting. So he's been using gedit on the Chromebook and secure copy to copy files over and run those, and he has a little loop going on the EV3 that he's connected to with SSH. So I think he's going to start that up, and he's set up through Node-RED some flows where he's able to. Well, actually, we're going to show him. You're just going to echo through Netcat, right? So let's go ahead and see this. And see the robot. So he's got left, right, and forward working as it is right now. I think that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So. Yep. Oh, there you go. Okay.
Yeah.
And so once he got to that point, then he was able to start up Node-RED. So you want to bring up? Let's see where the little small screen. Okay. So he's set up Node-RED with 3 flows, and he's just been working on the left flow right now. So he's got Node-RED. You want to go ahead and deploy that?
Yeah.
Right up here.
Oh yeah.
So he's gonna deploy that, and then over here, he's publishing on Mosquito the left message, and it's listening on Node-RED. And we should see the robot moving. There we go. You also heard in the background our speaker caught the message and debugged it out. So there's Edward, and unfortunately Jamie will be here for the next video, but things are working really well, and so in theory we're going to be able to duplicate this code very easily. They just copy it down to all of the other robots, and we should have a fleet of robots that are going to be responding to all sorts of messages.